The clock is ticking on summer. August is your last chance to soak up the sun and enjoy the warm weather before the cooler days of fall set in. In this video, we'll explore the vibrant and diverse activities that New York City has to offer during this final stretch of summer. From pools, beaches, and outdoor concerts to basketball and the NFL making its preseason return, there's no shortage of events to fill your calendar. Stay tuned to discover how to squeeze out every drop of summer fun before it's gone, starting with the WNBA's newest sensation. Ellie the Elephant. Whether you're a die-hard New York Liberty fan or just getting acquainted, you'll fall in love with their dynamic mascot, Ellie the Elephant. With her dazzling dance moves, chic outfits, and playful antics at Barclays Center, Ellie has become a social media sensation. Named after Ellis Island, the bedazzled mascot with the Telfar handbag joined for the Liberty's 25th season and has been snatching wigs since. Bring the family this August to see Ellie live at a Liberty game in NYC or follow her on Instagram and TikTok for amazing dance routines, fabulous fashion, and endless fun. They don't call her Big Ellie for nothing. Free concerts. This August, NYC is bursting with free concerts from Bryant Park to Hudson Yards and the return of Central Park's summer stage. Thanks to NYC parks and fantastic venues, you can enjoy a musical feast. Dance to Keke Palmer's beats at Hudson Yards, sway with Abraham Alexander in Battery Park City, or groove with top American DJs in Times Square. With countless performances happening all month, it's the perfect time to experience the city's vibrant music scene. So grab your friends, pick your favorite shows, and make unforgettable memories before the summer is gone. Beaches. Need a break from the sweltering August heat in NYC? Escape to one of the city's fantastic beaches. Fort Tilden Beach offers pristine sands and an off-the-beaten-path vibe, while Rockaway Beach is the ultimate destination with its surf-friendly waves, bustling boardwalk, and vibrant local scene. A short ride on the Long Island Railroad from Penn Station will transport you to the charming shores of Long Beach and its relaxed atmosphere and beautiful boardwalk. Or head to Orchard Beach in the Bronx for its unique and panoramic views. Of course, no list of NYC beaches would be complete without mentioning Coney Island. This iconic spot is the perfect place to relive childhood memories or create new ones. Pools. August is your last chance to beat the heat by diving headfirst into NYC's coolest pools. Chill out at the James Hotel rooftop pool during selected hours for free, or treat yourself to luxury at the beach at Dream Downtown with its glass-bottom pool, sand beach, and private cabanas. Shake it up at the Summer Club in Long Island City, a reservation-only day club and lounge with a pool, world-renowned DJs, pool fare, and specialty cocktails. Family-friendly public pools are an oasis for heat-weary New Yorkers every summer, offering a cool retreat or a place to lounge poolside. With over 60 public swimming pools scattered across the 5 boroughs, city pools offer a variety of swim programs all summer long. So grab your swimsuit and make a splash this August in NYC. If you're finding this guide helpful and enjoyable, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fantastic NYC guides like this in the future. Next up, we're outside. Free outdoor movies. Experience the magic of summer evenings this August in NYC with free outdoor movies. From Midtown to Brooklyn, enjoy hundreds of screenings in local parks. Catch Bob Marley One Love and Spike Lee's School Days at Fort Greene Park, located in the neighborhood where director Lee grew up, while Barbie and Wonka show at Oculus Outdoors. Don't miss iconic locations like Bryant Park, Brooklyn Bridge Park, or Randall's Island for unforgettable movie nights under the stars. With perfect weather and sunset views, it's the ultimate way to unwind and make the most of what's left of summer days in the city. Rooftop bars. Whatever your poison, it's perfect at the ideal rooftop bar. Picture yourself enjoying terrific cocktails against a skyline backdrop, where happy hours blend the end of your day with the beginning of your summer evening. These rooftop destinations are like elevated treehouses, offering a mix of old New York and the glitterati, vibrant party vibes, and scenic skyline views made for the gram. Whether it's Panorama Room, 255th, or Sandbar, among so many others, each promises sublime spirits, scenic vistas, and an invitation to elevate your experience in NYC to new heights. Literally. Football. Get ready for an exciting lead-up to the NFL regular season with a full month of preseason matchups this August in NYC. Watch as powerhouse teams gear up for a new season, refining strategies and finalizing lineups. Cheer on the New York Jets as they showcase their new acquisitions and strategies, aiming for a strong season start. The New York Giants are celebrating their 100th season with special events and new uniforms, adding extra excitement to their preseason games. Mark your calendars, secure your tickets, and support your favorite New York football teams in this thrilling preseason build-up. Hong Kong Dragon Boat Festival. Step into the vibrant world of the Hong Kong Dragon Boat Festival on Meadow Lake in Flushing Meadows Corona Park in Queens. For over 30 years, this event has been a beacon of international culture and thrilling competition. Experience the excitement of dragon boat races, from the spirited NYC Open to youth invitationals and heartwarming charity races. Beyond the water, immerse yourself in live music on the main stage, mesmerizing martial arts displays, and traditional arts and crafts. Indulge in a feast at the International Food Court. Join in for a weekend filled with cultural richness and family fun. It's an event not to be missed this August in NYC. Whale watching. Leave the skyscrapers of Manhattan behind this August and embark on an extraordinary adventure in search of whales off the coast of New York City. Join the exclusive whale watching tour departing from Manhattan, heading towards New York Bay and the vast open sea. Along the way, soak in breathtaking views of the iconic skyline, sail beneath the Brooklyn Bridge, and glide past the Statue of Liberty. Keep your eyes peeled for the chance to witness these majestic creatures up close. What better way to close out the summer than with thrills and adventure? The US Open. Jannik, Novak, Coco and Iga are set to light up the courts at the legendary US Open. Since 1881, this prestigious tennis tournament has been a highlight of the city's sporting calendar. Whether you're a passionate tennis aficionado or simply love the atmosphere of major events, the US Open offers thrilling matches and unforgettable experiences. Don't miss US Open Fan Week, featuring a week of free tennis activities before the tournament kicks off. Get ready for an unforgettable sports experience this August in NYC. Food tours. With the delightful summer weather still in full swing, there's no better time to explore New York City's vibrant culinary scene than with food tours. From the trendy West Village to the colorful Lower East Side and the lively food trucks of Midtown and the Financial District, savor a variety of flavors like a local. Each tour blends food tastings with fascinating insights into the history, culture, and architecture of these iconic neighborhoods. Indulge in delicious dishes and uncover the best-kept food stories that promise to create scrumptious memories of your NYC visit. Enjoy these culinary adventures while the weather is perfect for strolling through the city. Walking tours. While the summer warmth lingers, discover the magic of the city with walking tours you won't want to miss this August. Wander through the haunted streets of Greenwich Village, uncovering tales of yellow fever victims and turn-of-the-century intrigue. Let local guides lead you to meet the lions at the New York Public Library, or gaze at the constellations in Grand Central Terminal. For an iconic engineering marvel, stroll across the Brooklyn Bridge with a knowledgeable guide, capturing stunning skyline views along the way. Whether you crave history, architecture, or breathtaking sights, NYC's walking tours are an ideal way to explore while the weather is still inviting. Well, that wraps up our last call for summer. August in NYC bursts with excitement, and Gotham Guide is your ticket to adventure in the big city. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge into these amazing experiences and make the most of the remaining dog days of summer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with all the hottest events in NYC. Let us know in the comments below how you'll be closing out summer in the city. Thanks for tuning in to Gotham Guide. Enjoy the rest of the summer.